Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Fast Decor. If you are planning to upgrade your bedroom or just love exploring design ideas, today's video is all about the wooden wardrobe designs. From the modern to classic, and we have got some covered with the ideas that will be fit every style and space. So let's dive right in. First things about the why wooden wardrobes chosen. Well, it's all not just a durable but also super visibility. Whether you are look the rustic vibes, a minimalistic look, or something luxury, wooden adapts beautifully. Plus, they add a seamless charm to your decor. Starting with the sliding door wardrobes, perfect for the compact space. These are the stylish or save you from the handle of door changes. Pair them with the mirror or a glass panel from the contemporary touch. Next, the classic hanged door wardrobes. If you have able to space, this design offering maximizing accessibility and integrate curves or brass handle from the vintage feel. Look for something modern and bold. Go for the open shelves wardrobes. They are functionally trendy and keep wardrobe game changer. Pro tips is it keep it culture free with the Instagram wardrobe look. And who does not dream of walk-in wardrobes, a wooden panel or the cabinet for the rich and cozy vibes? Pair it with the warm lights and elevate your luxury feel. And now let's talk about the finishing. Matte finishing or subtitle and integrate elegant gross one for the add a modern texture and texture wooden gives a rustic charm. Choose according to your decor and theme and light. On the budget, no worry, opt for the giant wooden or lampades that the minimalistic real wood and DIY handles or knots can be a personal touch without breaking the bank. So there we have it. Some amazing and stylish wooden wardrobe designs ideas that can be suit every style and budget. Which design was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below and do not forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe our channel for more home decor tips, design and ideas, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest update from us. And we will see you in next time in next video. Keep styling and decorate your wooden wardrobe design with these interesting decor items. Choose your favorite color combo based on your theme to elegance and enhance the wardrobe looks. Thanks for watching us today. We will see you in next time in next video. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.